Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to use WebClient in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. As you can see on your screen, this is a JSON file, and this particular JSON file I have hosted on GitHub, and it will be accessed through an API. That particular API will be called using WebClient class. Now let's move to the Solution Explorer. I have already created a controller for this particular project, so let's open it. I would like to inform you that an article has already been posted on this topic. The link for the article and the link for the code sample is available in the description. Also, if you need any further help, please feel free to ask on forums. The link for the forum is also available in the description. Here I'll start by adding a namespace. I'm adding the namespace system.net. It is required for the WebClient class. Now let's move to the action result method. Here I am setting a property expect 100 continue to true. This particular property belongs to the service point manager class. When this particular property is set to true, data will only be sent when the initial headers such as authorization headers etc. are okay. So this actually saves bandwidth, because what happens, sometimes there is rejection from the server, and in that case again we have to send the complete header as well as the data back to the server. The second property is security protocol, and it also belongs to the service point manager class. This particular property specifies the security protocol we are using. In this case I am using TLS 1.2 because the GitHub server uses TLS 1.2. So as per your server requirement, you can set the security protocol. I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Now further you will notice I have created an object of WebClient class, and I am making use of the download string method of the WebClient class. To call the API on GitHub, I have passed the URL of the API to the download string method, and the result, which is actually a JSON string, is being captured in a string variable. Finally, I am making use of content function for printing the JSON response directly on the page. It is very similar to response.write if you have worked on ASP.NET Web Forms. So with this, we complete our programming part. Let's execute the code and see it in action. So as you can see, the contents of the JSON file has been read using the WebClient class, and it has been printed on the page. With this, we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to make use of the WebClient class in ASP.NET MVC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.